Hey guys, hope you're all doing very well today. Here is our plan for the day. Thankfully, the month of March is over and we're starting on April now. So, we're going to start out here with Scene and 10 with Carl. We're going to do a little activity on urban life in the favelas of Latin America, which kind of the urban settings. And we're going to start our project for this unit, which will be a one page about a Latin American country you're choosing. Let's take a quick walk through all the assignments you got to do. And remember, if you have questions, you can definitely talk to me, email me, put a comment on stuff, or even scheduling my office hours for a little conversation. So here's e-learning April 1, April 3. We're going to use the same thing for today and Friday, okay? First off, CNN 10, watch CNN 10, answer what you learned, right? What did Carl talk about today? What did you guys learn from Carl? All that kind of stuff. Then we're going to do the urban geography in the favelas. Favelas are the kind of the shanty towns, or kind of the urban kind of areas outside big cities in areas of Latin America. We're going to focus on Rio de Janeiro, which is in Brazil. And here is the worksheet you're going to open up. This is going to be what you're going to be writing on, okay? Once it loads up here, you'll see you have a copy already made for you. And what your job is to do is answer the questions in the boxes here a little bit based off of 2 articles and 1 short video, all right? So first thing is the video. Right here, it's called Inside Rio's Favelas. It's a 9-minute long video. It's kind of cool. Then you have to read, yes, read 2 things, all right, to answer your questions. Number 1, Rio for Beginners. It's a Google Doc. Really nice and short. 1 page about life in Rio, okay, and then the favelas. And the other one is a blog article from a travel blog that somebody wrote while actually living in the favela, which are these kind of these little shanty towns made out of plywood and tar paper and whatever is available. Really cool little article about living in these areas and how they're all very, very different and unique and all that kind of cool stuff, okay? Your job is to answer these questions. Very last question, by the way, on this sheet is a comparison of what you think life is like in the favelas as compared to life in the more rural areas like we saw in Peña Blanca in Guatemala. All right, now it's a lot of stuff to do. It seems like a lot, but it's not really that much. Okay, I promise you guys, it's something we would do in less than 1 class period. We're actually in class. Okay, our project for this unit, as we finish up this week, is going to be a 1-pager. We made these during our Russia unit. We take 1 page and fill up with stuff. Okay, don't freak out with all the stuff in this assignment, guys. Okay, this is not all the way due. This one right here is not all the way due until April 7th. But I want you to get a start today. All right, there are going to be a couple different little mini due dates you're going to do. First, you're going to pick a country. You're going to research that country based off our assignment and create a 1-pager. All I want you to start with today is picking your country and doing some research, all right? I want you to make the 1-pager on Friday for that day instead, okay? On this sheet, you all have edit rights access to it. You're going to pick a country. Now, I already called one. I already called Mexico. So I'm going to type it in here just like you would. Boom. That's mine. Okay? Actually, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to put my name in here. Spell it right. There we go. So you're going to type your name in here for the country you want. It is first come, first serve. Don't go stealing anybody's stuff. Okay? Once you have your country picked, let's take a look at our assignment. You're going to be doing some research about your country. You picked your country. You're going to then find some information. You gotta look at a map of it. It's going to go in the middle of your 1-pager. You're going to have to research their flag, find a picture of it, find out what their flag means, and learn about 6 different things. Some geography, well-known landmarks, what are some of the physical things that are there, their natural resources, their climate and weather, holidays, foods, and traditions and taboos. Kind of like we talked about in terms of like how you're supposed to act, how you're supposed to behave, stuff like that, all right? If you want to research those, or make a 1-pager out of it. Today, I just want you to pick your country and start your research. In the end, our goal is to make something like this, your 1-pager. This is a digital 1-pager I made in Google Draw. If you want to start on it, go for it. Awesome. There are directions on how to use Google Draw on the assignment page. You could also do this on a piece of paper and draw and make your own stuff at home as well, okay? But I want you to just pick a country and start doing some research today. I don't want you getting too far into stuff, okay? We'll talk about the last little bit of it, which is making the 1-pager. Okay, you want to have your topic in the center and all your other material around it to kind of fill up one whole page is your big goal. Make your one pager. We'll talk on Friday about your quick little presentation of this. Have you guys present about this in Flipgrid, kind of like we did on Monday. So we got Flipgrid. There's a quick little video here for Google Draw if you want to do it digitally. Otherwise, I encourage you guys to do your stuff on just a piece of paper otherwise. Those are the 3 things we got to start on today, guys. 10 and 10, rural living, and then pick your country and start your research. On Friday, we'll have much more time to work on your actual one-pager. So have a good day, guys. Me and Bowie are going to head